All right, we're almost done with our tour of the Zapier app and interface. Before we go on to the next section, I just wanted to talk about this little, this corner right here, where you can see first your plan, which one it is, your tasks, how well are you doing with your task consumption, and your Zap limits. On most plan, your zaps are eliminated, but here I'm still capped to 20 active zaps. And here you see more or less when does your usage reset. So that's something you want to look at because, for instance, here we have 750. If I see usage 600 tasks out of 750, and my monthly usage resets in 2 weeks, clearly I'm not going to make it. And I have to, dive into my history, task usage, see which ones provoked the most usage, which ones of my zaps consume most, and how to do it. Well, if I can save it for this month, and otherwise, should I upgrade? Should I pause? Should I manually do the work in the meantime? Well, that's when you would have to make a decision. But to be aware in time, here would be the place. And finally, here you can upgrade and manage your plan. So here I clicked. You see that we landed on the billing and usage page, which we saw on the prior lesson, because I clicked on here. I clicked on manage plan. If I do upgrade plan, here I would be sent to the pricing page, which we already know. And since I'm already logged in, if I choose another plan, click upgrade, here I would be redirected to the checkout page. I already have a payment method registered. I can choose between annual or monthly payments. And here I would have a table telling me how much I would actually pay because the time I still have running on my current monthly billing period would be discounted from the first invoice that I would have and subsequent invoices if my credit is higher. So here is where you would be able to calculate the investment in case of upgrading. So that's all for this one. And we're going to we're going now into the next section where we're going to the next section where we're actually going to create zaps and automations.